sending money back home. These are a lifeline for the Somali community. So important for connecting Somalis across the world. So today's workshop has been absolutely brilliant. It's been really good to be able to engage new residents using new methods of sending money.
It's very helpful to send the money from back home because sometimes they need us a health care when they have no job. Sometimes there is a war.
This new technology saves time. You don't have to go to the bank. It's comfort of your home. You just sit down there, use your mobile phone. It's very, very convenient.
I'm kind of stuck on the old way of sending money. But yeah, it does save a lot of time and effort. And it's just a click of a button.
Very important for your family and friends to support them. It's easier. You can use your app and do it. I recommend it all friends and family.
My community, they need this. It will be helpful because you can save your time and you can save your money and you can help your people.